Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about boat protection. We have this 2024 4 Winds H2 in. It's going to be getting our paint protection film and ceramic coating. The first thing is paint protection film. This is the clear polyurethane film that you commonly see us put on vehicles. This is also going to be applied to the sides and front of the boat. What that's going to do is protect against any hard impacts. So if you're docking the boat or anything similar to that, you're going to prevent the scuffs or damage that you commonly run into during that time. The second part of this is our ceramic coating application. Some of the areas that we can apply the ceramic coating to the boat are obviously the gel coat. We can do it on all the metal trim, also the plastics and the glass, as well as some parts on the interior that we're going to show you here in a minute. What we're doing is actually applying the ceramic coating. This comes in a liquid form and it'll be applied, hand application, as you see Geraldo doing right now. This will cure over time, and this creates that barrier and that separation between the environment and the gel coat. What this is going to do is protect against oxidation. Oftentimes, boat owners, when they have their boats out in the lake, you'll see this white haziness that starts to develop on the side of the gel coat. This is greatly beneficial because not only does the gel coat start to deteriorate over time, but you'll start to see some oxidation buildup happen on the chrome. You'll start to see the blacks and the plastics start to turn white and kind of change colors over time. And then the same for the glass, it'll kind of develop kind of like a fogginess. The ceramic coating is going to help protect against all those. Oftentimes it's really hard to remove that. You either have to do wet sanding or a heavy compounding or paint correction. What the ceramic coating is going to do is help eliminate that or slow down that process quite a bit. So there's less maintenance, less polishing, less time bringing it into us, and more time enjoying your boat. Like I was talking about earlier with the interior protection, it is an absolute pain to clean boat interiors. Oftentimes you're using very harsh chemicals to get the stains out. With the ceramic coating, it's not going to protect it 100%, but it is going to eliminate quite a bit of the staining and the damage that you see oftentimes in the interiors. Not to mention when it comes time to cleaning, it's going to be much easier. One more thing that we wanted to talk about is the warranty period. That is probably one of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to coatings in general, but specifically for boats, our ceramic coating is warranted for 3 years. So that means during that 3-year period, you do not need to apply any waxes or sealants or anything that would be added on top of it, which is one more reason to have a ceramic coating applied compared to an inferior product like a traditional wax or sealant. If you guys have any questions about any of our boat protection services, please leave a comment, give us a call, send us an email. We're happy to help. Thank you.